September 11, 1988, what should have been a peaceful Sunday Mass in Port-au-Prince turned into a massacre. Inside the Saint Jean Bosco Church, over 1,000 worshippers gathered to hear Father Jean-Bertrand Aristide, a priest who dared to speak against dictatorship. Suddenly, armed men stormed the church. They beat, shot at people, and then set the church on fire. At least 13 people were killed. Some reports even say 50, and nearly 80 people wounded. The church left in ashes, and soldiers stationed just across the street never lifted a finger. And the very next day, the attackers appeared on national television, bragging, threatening more bloodshed, and then walking free. About a week later, though, outrage over the massacre fueled a coup and toppled General Henri Nafi. The attack left a permanent scar, exposing the cruelty of military rule and the courage of Haitians who refused to stay silent. My name is Savi, and this is Today in Haitian History. Did you know about this massacre? Leave a heart in the comment if you think that stories like this need to be remembered, and follow Bumdio for more stories. Bye!